Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Code with Kanishka. So today we will start our lecture number 2 on C programming. So before we proceed, please like and subscribe my channel. It's my earnest request to all my viewers. So in the first lecture we have known about what is C, what are its importance, from where it is originated, and the most important fact, why should we learn it. So today we will know something new about, we will proceed more in C programming. So what are the objectives of my second lecture? So today we will learn about what is the efficiency of C, hashtag define instructions and hashtag include instructions. So let's begin with our first topic, that is what is the efficiency of C. So what is the efficiency of C? C programs written in C are very efficient and fast. This is the most critical factor for using the C language. I will give you a brief example that why should C is considered to be the close to the computer. Means we know C as close to the computer. So what does it mean? So let Suresh means not Suresh. Let X and Y are my friends who have suddenly known that today is my birthday, so they now want to celebrate the birthday, means my birthday. So they both go to the bakery shops in different, means X go to one bakery shop and Y go to another bakery shop. Let X go to a bakery shop which is near to the place from where we are, and this is not a multinational bakery shop, this is just a local bakery shop. He bought a cake and he celebrated first, means we celebrated fast. Now it is not the best cake, but it is the important thing that we want to say, that X and Y want to celebrate with my birthday. Means the birthday cake is the most important thing, not the best cake, but the most important part of my birthday is we should have to celebrate it, and that is the cake. So what does it mean? That C is not the best but the closest, means the nearest thing, or the, because it is fast. Efficiency of C means C is highly efficient and fast. This is an example of cake, that X bought a cake from the neighboring shop, but Y bought a cake from another bakery shop which is like Flurries or Darioles, which is much better, but it is not located near the place where we are. So he have to go a long way and then come, which will take more time. But X bought a cake which is nearest from the bakery, which is from the nearest bakery shop, so it is much more fast. Absolutely it is not the best, but it is faster. This is the same case for C programming language. That is the only reason we consider C as close to the computer. So I have mainly said these 3 points only about the efficiency of C. This is the least thing we have to know about the efficiency. So we will now move to our next topic, that is hashtag define instructions. So a hashtag is a preprocessor compiler directive and it is not a statement. So basically we end every C program with a semicolon, but as it is a preprocessor compiler directive and not a statement, so it will not end with a semicolon. We will discuss it about later, why we means which are preprocessor compiler directives, but we should now know only what is hashtag define instructions. So symbolic constants are generally written in uppercase letters so that they are easily distinguished from lowercase variable names. Hashtag define instructions are usually placed at the beginning of the main function. Means we use a main function in a C program, which is before which we use the hashtag define instructions. Now we should also note that define constants are not variables. We may not change their values in the program by using an assignment statement. For example, if we define a principal is equals to 10,000, we cannot change it. It is a fixed for that program. Means it is illegal. Now when we don't only declare only one variable in one statement. We can declare two or more variables in one statement. They are separated by a comma. What is a hashtag defined in C? In the C programming language, I have already said, but I am repeating that in the C programming language, the hashtag defined directive allows the definition of macros within our source code. Macros means the which I have declared only. These macro definition allow constant values to be declared to you for use throughout the code. Means if we want to do a program where n is equals to 10, we will not always assign n in the program more than once. We will only write hashtag define n equals n5, means it will be n10. It will be declared at the very first of the program, and we will not have to declare that always. So it is a very helpful thing. So now another important question, why the hashtag defined directive is used? We should always know what is the reason behind its usage, because nothing is used just for show. It have some importance, that's why it is implemented. So the hashtag defined directive is used to define values or macros that are used by the processor to manipulate the program source code before it is compiled. I have already said that we will declare at the very first of the program the value or anything, because processor definitions are substituted before the compiler acts on the source code. Any errors that are introduced by hashtag defined are difficult to trace. It is very important that we can, if we do any errors in the hashtag defined, it is very difficult to trace. We will do these things thoroughly in the program. Now we are only knowing about its definition and the theory part only. So now we will move to the third topic, that is hashtag include instructions. So basically a C program is divided into modules or functions. Some functions are written by users, means like us, you the viewers, and many others are stored in the C library, which are already stored in the C library. So library functions, they are only called the library functions. The library functions are grouped category wise and stored in different files known as header files. So in the header files they are stored. If we want to access, means if we want to get that header file or to access the function stored in the library, it is necessary to tell the compilers about the files to be accessed, means about which files we have to access. This is achieved by using the hashtag include instructions. Means if we use hashtag include, then only we can access the functions stored in that C library particularly. So what is this? These are, means hashtag include instruction is used to get the access of the C library and the functions that are stored in the C. So here is what is hashtag include in C. The hashtag include processor directive is used to paste code of given file into current file. It is used include system defined and user defined header files. If included file is not found, compiler renders error. Means if the included file, that is what we are finding, we don't find, means if we write hashtag include file name, I will discuss everything after in the program section. Now we are only knowing about the theory part. So what I am saying is hashtag file name, if we use it, the file name is the name of the library file that contains the required function definitions. So if there is no file name, then it will compile, means the compiler will render error. I think you have understood what I have said just now. So that's all for today. It's a pretty short video. I think I have explained well. If there is any problem, please do comment in my channel. I will definitely answer your comments, and I think I will, means if you think that there is any doubt for you, please comment or please email or WhatsApp me in this number. So thank you. Bye bye.